हांव आयला पिलेन ही सेंट जॉन द बाप्टिस्ट चर्च आसा. हांगा सद्या एक फेस्टिवल चालू आसा आनी ह्या फेस्टिवलाचें नांव आसा काजूचें फेस्त. एक्चुली हांगा एवरी थर्सडे एक विकली मार्केट आसता, पूण दर वर्सा हांगा काजूचें फेस्त म्हणून करतात. सो तें काजूचें फेस्त पळोवपा खातीर आमी आयले. आनी हांगा वेगवेगळे स्टॉल आसा आनी म्युजीक आसा. सो बरें एक एटमॉस्फियर आसा. गांवची लोकांक सगळे स्टॉल घालतात हांगा. आनी सगळ्यात स्पेशलिटी ह्या काजूच्या फेस्ताची म्हणजे हांगा वेगवेगळे काजूचे पासून केल्ले आयटम्स आमकां पळोवपाक मेळ्ळे. आनी तातूंत भितर कांय जे आयटम आसा ते म्हणजे कोणें काजूची चटणी केल्या, कोणें काजूचें सरपतल केलां. तेणी बरी इंट्रस्टिंग स्टोरी सांगली की तिका घोवाक खंय सरपतल खावपाक आवडटा पूण लँड टायमाचेर सरपतल खावपाक मेळना. सो ताजे खातीर तेणें काजूचें सरपतल केलें. सो अशे तरेचे इन्वेन्शन्स तांणी केली हाजे खातीर. तशेंच काजूचो बलशाव केलो एकट्यान. आनी इवन काजू वायन आसा हांगा, एक कोण तरी होममेड तयार केल्ली काजू वायनूय दवरल्या. त्या शिवाय एक बायलेन काजूचें सांसव केलां. सो अशे तरेचे वेगवेगळे एक्सपेरिमेंट्स केल्या आनी वेगवेगळे काजू पासून आयटम्स तयार केल्ले आसा. सो इतलें इंट्रस्टिंग आसा हें काजूचें फेस्त. आनी सगळ्यांत मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टंट आनी सगळ्यांत चड डिमांड ज्या आयटमाक जो आसा तो म्हणजे निरो. हांगा बरो फ्रेश निरो आसा आनी बरो थंडगार आसा. सो ह्या क्लायमेटा भितर तो इतलो आनंद दिवपी आसा सारको. सो हो निरो सगळ्यांत ह्या स्टॉलाचेर सगळ्यांत चड गर्दी आसा. आमी घेतलो. सो तो स्पेशल खंय तांच्यांनी मोडशे आनी सावथ गोवांतल्यान खंय तरी हाडटा. सो असो तरेचो निरो आमी पिले. आनी दुसरे त्या शिवाय बिबे आसा आनी काजू बियो आसा. म्हणजे वेगवेगळे तरेचे काजूचे आयटम हांगा आसा. सो हे खरेंच काजूचें फेस्त म्हणपाक शकता, कारण काजूचे वेगवेगळे पदार्थ हांगा लोकांनी एक्सपेरिमेंट म्हणून तयार केल्ले आसा. सो अशें हे काजूचें फेस्त. आनी आतां फाटल्यान म्युजीक चालू आसा आनी हे म्युजीक बरे लोक एन्जॉय करपाक लागल्या. गांवचे आनी भायले लोक आतां एकठांय जावपाक लागल्या. सो अशे तरेचो एक नायस असो कम्युनिटी मार्केट आमी हांगा पळोवपाक शकता.
I'm Sheila DiCosta from Pilerna. So today is Cashew festival. This thing. So I made a sorpatel of cashew.
1 to 6.
Then the cashew manos, and some cantas are there. Love apples, pickles, homemade. Some dish of mango, and Nero also, and samosas, and soon naan, sir. That's it.
What is that?
Here, juice, orange juice, mango juice.
1, 2. Check. Just
First time I
ref.
made cashew.
Ref.
No, last year also I made, and it was a good response. Yeah, I sold.
Check 1.
Sorry?
It tastes different.
6.
Yeah,
check.
something different.
And there was a
Yes.
good response from people. Same
Check.
method to
1,
make
2.
it or
Check. Check.
More.
Just
So
check 1.
yeah,
and
like
where you get the apples from?
from my friend's
2.
garden.
1,
Yeah.
2, 6.
Like,
Check.
I don't have it, so I have to borrow from my
Just
friend.
1, 2.
Yeah.
This is the
Check
second time you are
this.
coming here.
Yes.
Second time you are coming.
Yeah. Here,
Check
second
this.
time with this.
Check.
Every Thursday we
Yes.
have this. Thursdays
Just
started now.
1.
This is the second
Check.
Thursday.
Just check 1, 2. Just 1, 2.
This like
6, check.
in Lent season we don't eat pork, so
Check.
that's how.
Just check.
Yeah.
People
Yes.
want to eat
Like yeah, actually my
Check
husband
this.
also he was a pork eater, so I said we'll try and veg like sarpadel. He liked it, and
Yes.
mind this thing like
Check.
has to
Just
started like doing it.
So every Thursday you come here.
Yeah, I'm from here only, Pilerna. Yeah.
Yeah, my name is Melissa and she's Maria. And we have chicken and cheese pan roll. This is fish cutlets. And this is chicken cutlets, beef chops, croquettes, chicken burgers, chicken frankie, and chicken roll. And here we have in curries, biya bhaji, samara chikodi we have, tisrios, and we made cashew saso.
हां. कशें करता ते?
कॅज्यू घातल्या आणि कोकोनट ग्राइंड केला आणि तिथून तडका दिला.
फर्स्ट टाइम केला.
या फर्स्ट टाइम आयज कॅज्यूचे फेस्त न्हू म्हणून आमकां स्पेशल करून सांगलेले कॅज्यू.
Yeah, okay, I'm Father Derek Fernandez, Parish Priest of St. John the Baptist Church, Pilen. Kazuche Fest is our annual feature for this Pilen Thursday market. Now, Pilen Thursday market is an initiative from our part. We have Matiche Fest started last year, so this Pilen Thursday market is a fruit of that Matiche Fest. So it starts in after the rains, mostly mid-November, and goes till May. So every Thursday we try to feature any one thing that is of Goan, which is very Goan. It's like cultural importance, of heritage. That's why it's called Pilen Cultural Thursday Heritage Market. So this time, since the cashew season has just started and is in full boom, so we started to focus on cashew fest. So there is Nero, which is almost forgotten by the younger generation, because nowadays no one extracts Nero. Very few are there. So that's why we want to just make people aware, especially the children, about this drink. And also there are some preparation for of cashew, which our people used to do in olden times. And maybe some awareness will be there of cashew also. So this is the
Penny and Raj, we don't eat.
we don't sell Pilerna right now, since because in the church compound, right, that's why we don't sell. Yeah,
This is a unique weekly market, I think.
yeah.
So how long this has been going on weekly market?
We completed almost 2 years now. Yeah, this is the second year. Last year we completed 1 year. Yeah,
How is the response from?
good. Initially we had to, but now it is already set up now, so we don't have much struggles. So it was set up after the COVID. So that was, and 70% of the vendors are of Pilen. We also invite others, and especially person with disabilities. We also give them a chance to put up the market and all.
Hello.
Yeah.
Well, on behalf
Hello, good evening everyone. This is our Pilen village and this is our St. John the Baptist Church.
Hello.
We have every Thursday, we have Pilen Thursday Heritage Market here. And this is my co-partner Maria. And see, we have tea, coffee. This is cashew nuts vegetable bhaji of Orsane. And this is choris bread. This is beef chili bread. Especially we brought Nero. This is cashew beans, foca, this cashew nuts, and this is cashews.
one and
माझे नाव
all,
विनीता हिंगा
Today we have
रोस्ट आहा
are rather
मागीर चिकन
celebrating
क्रोकेट्स आहा
Kajuche Fest. And as I went
काजू
around,
बालचा आहा
I saw a
ड्राई
lot of
बोंबील
fresh
बालचा
cashews, the product of those
चिकन ब्रेड
cashews,
चोरिसा पाव
and many
and beef
more.
croquettes
And it is
मसाला
always said it
तोरा
is healthy
आणि
to
वॉटर पिकल
consume a few cashew nuts per day.
काजू वाइन
But at the
हे
same
काजू
time,
वाइन
an
आणि
excess of cashew nut
हार्ड मास पोक हार्ड मास आहा
determines, or rather, we may go nuts.